Hey, Kalila.
A picture Christmas tree.
Yeah.
And a picture
Kalila,
Christmas
why don't
tree.
you go look behind the Christmas tree?
Ooh.
What's behind the Christmas tree? Kalila,
What?
look behind the Christmas tree.
Oh.
Yeah, there.
Christmas juice.
Yeah, that's the moose. Look behind the tree. Do you see something behind the tree? Yeah, there's Santa Claus. Now look behind the tree. Oh, well, yeah. Here, give that to Mommy.
This Baba's.
That is Baba's. Look behind the tree, by the wall.
Mama, a present for me.
Yes, it's a present for you.
Oh, Mama, I love it.
Oh, you love it?
Oh, we got it. Oh, why? What is this?
Yeah. Do you need help?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay, let me get this tape off for you.
This is the open shop.
Okay.
A pictures.
Yeah, PJs.
Like pictures, Judah. A pair more. A panda. Yay. Kittles.
Kalila, here, hold him up. Kalila. Oh, over here. Do you like your PJs?
Yeah.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh!
I love it, Mama.
You love it? Say love you, Baba.
Love you, Baba.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.